If you want to lose a lot of weight in a short amount of time, you need to take drastic measures, especially with your nutrition. Here's the surprising truth: it may not be how much you are eating, it's what you are eating every single day. Today, I will share 4 simple science backed habits that can support healthy fat loss, reduce craving, and make your weight loss journey much easier. And make sure you stay until the end because the fourth habit is the easiest one to start today. Tip number 1: cut back on added sugar. The first habit is reducing added sugar. Many packaged food, flavored drinks, sauces, cereals, and even healthy snacks contain a hidden sugar that can increase calories without keeping you full. A good goal is to keep added sugar as low as possible while focusing on whole foods like vegetable, fruits, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. The interesting part is this: after a week or two of eating less added sugar, many people notice they crave sweets less often. That's because your taste buds and your habit began to change. But sugar is not only reason people struggle to lose weight. The next habit may be even more important. Tip number 2: eat more fiber. Fiber is one of the most powerful nutrients for weight management. Foods like beans, lentil, vegetable, berries, oats, chia seed, flaxseed, and avocados help keep you full for longer. When you stay full, you are naturally less likely to snack between meals. Fiber also supports a healthy digestive system and nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which help an important role in overall health. A simple goal is to include at least one high fiber food with every meal. Now here's the mistake most people make. Tip number 3: stop deciding what to eat at the last minute. Willpower does not work forever. When you are hungry and don't have a plan, it's much easier to grab fast food or processed snacks. Instead, spend just a few minutes planning tomorrow meals. Keep healthy foods ready in your refrigerator. Wash your vegetables, prepare your protein, keep healthy snacks within easy reach. Small preparation today can prevent unhealthy decision tomorrow. And finally, here the habit that ties everyone together. Tip 4: move more throughout the day. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to become healthier. Walking after meals, taking the stairs, stretching, doing a few squats, or taking short activity breaks throughout the day can all help increase your daily movement. These small actions added up over time. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to move a little more today than you did yesterday. When healthy eating and regular movement work together, they create a routine that's much easier to maintain. Weight loss does not usually comes from magic food or one miracle drink. It comes from small habits repeated consistently. Start with just one of these 4 habits this week, and once it becomes part of your routine, add another. Which habit do you think will make the biggest difference for you? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Food Book and turn on notification for more science-backed nutrition and healthy living tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.